doesn't say. Okay, I'm filming.
Her little new booties that she got today. Let's see how she likes them. Look at little boo-boos. Let's try on the boo-boos. Maybe if we could get them on. Look at the boo-boos. Maybe we should have got the smalls. Or maybe it would help if I take the cotton out.
Probably. At least your foot would be able to fit.
Yeah. That would. Now, come on now, Belle Belle. Be nice. One on. Two on. Now, Belle, they're your little boo-boos. Do I have that on back? No, okay. Heck, she's doing pretty good.
Yes, she is.
I thought she would,
freak out.
freak. One more and then we'll be done. Okay. Here it goes. You see the boo-boos? Here it goes.
I gotta go.
Boo-boo.
Here, you go ahead and take over.
Belly. Bella? What's the matter, Bella? Oh, Belly. Come on now, Belle Belle.